Hi, it's Immobiliser Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is another Starline i96 Pro on this 2022 Hyundai Tucson hybrid. So the way the system works, if the customer's phone paired up and in the vehicle, they can simply hop in, turn on the ignition, hear their melody, start the vehicle. As you can see, it goes to ready. If the customer's phone's not here, not paired up, or they don't wish to use their phone, this system can be used through the buttons on the steering wheel. So the way that works is double press the ignition, get the ignition on, pop the code in, which we've set as 1, 2, 3. Get a confirmation melody, now the vehicle will start and go to ready. If someone was to come and attack this vehicle, clone the key, try and do a relay attack on the key, just hop in and try and start it, the vehicle won't start, as you'll see. Just turn on, it won't go to ready, and they won't be able to drive it away, as they don't know the PIN code and they don't have the customer's phone. If the customer wants to change the PIN code at any point, this can be done by ignition on, first disarm the system, 1, 2, 3. We've got our disarm melody, now press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, key on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now it's ready to learn. So we'll just change it to this button here. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. And we'll repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. Now that's the code learned. So if we just turn the ignition off, give it 10 seconds. Now we'll just try and give it a start. So ignition on, put the old code in. See, we don't get our melody. So now we'll put the new code in. So ignition on. We've got our melody, now we can start the vehicle. So if the customer needs to take this for a service, this Immobiliser has the facility, when it's in service mode, to stay in service mode until the customer takes it out. This means the garage can do whatever they need to do, road test it and so on, and the vehicle won't go back into Immobiliser mode until the customer tells it to. And the way you put it into service mode is first ignition on and disarm the system. Get your disarm melody, now press any button 11 times. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps to confirm it's in service mode. There we go, so now this is a normal car. So now when it goes to the garage they can start it up and it acts like a normal car, no Immobiliser fitted, no code needed, no phone needed. They can just drive it around as they need. When you get it back, you can either connect up your phone again, it will jump out of service mode, or you can go through the button push sequence on the steering wheel. And finally, if you want to put it in service mode through the phone, this is done by just pushing and holding on the app. It will spin round, the green circle will turn to yellow, release, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. This is now a normal car. The yellow circle confirms it's in service mode. When you get it back, just do the same thing in reverse, press and hold till it goes green, release, we'll get our 2 bleeps and you'll see it's protected again. There we go. Stayed green means it's protected. So now if we turn the ignition on with the phone in range, we get our melody and the vehicle starts up. So if you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle and get it protected against relay attack, key cloning and so on, we're Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. With the Bluetooth off and the customer's phone out of range, the vehicle doesn't start. Thanks for watching.